Morning all, it's only me, T, aka the Figures Factor founder. Obviously, it's first thing in the morning, I've been playing with Wolverine. So I might have a bit of a sneezing fit. To be honest, I've been literally sneezing tons and tons and tons. But I'll leave that with you. I just want to show you a little bit about what Wolverine is actually doing at the moment, because that would make a lot more sense. So this is, we'll call this MTV Cribs. However, this is the beast. And he's literally been climbing up and down over the sofas and going mental for about 10 minutes. He sat on the floor, had a bit of a chill out, and then he's been going absolutely bonkers on here for about 20 minutes, or so 10 minutes. But this is obviously the beast, my lovely little boy. So before we can get ourselves cracking, I will just readjust myself and put myself back on here. So you can all see me. My lovely settings. So I'm T, the Feel Good Factor founder. It's a bit dark in here, so I'm going to shed some light on the situation. Okay, so I'm T, Feel Good Factor founder. Today's hit session is not sponsored by Wolverine because it's been a bit of a pain today. But we are here, we are happy, we are good to go with Spotty Dogs, slow controlled jog, squats into up dogs. Okay, I know some people struggle with this, but it needs to be done. Slow jump switches, vertical mountain climbers, squats, into calf raises, planks, I forgot my towel again, high knees with jump lunges, and then jab squats to finish us off. And my nose is streaming. I had a really bad accident yesterday in that I ate carbs for the first time in about 7 weeks, and I woke up this morning with a massive cold, a massive headache. Not so much a cold, just a bunged up nose. I didn't realise how eating carbs would affect me that much. I am really bunged up today. So I've been sneezing loads and I've been blocked here. But, c'est la vie, it is action time. Action Jackson, let us be Avenue.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, rest.
Woo. Let's grab some water. Okay, slow controlled jog then.
3, 2, 1, go. Three, two, one, rest.
Woo. Okay, squats into up dogs then. Really taxing on the core. Bearing in mind it is push day for me today. It's going to be kind of hard.
3, 2, 1, go. 2, 1, rest.
Timing on point. Woo! Let's see the Pike's on. Hey Chelsea. Okay, Pike Toe Taps then next.
Three, 2, 1, go.
Core nice and tight.
Three, 2, 1, rest.
Lots of sweating going on today.
Motivation
Star jump
will
switch.
almost always beat mere talent. Three, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest.
Woo. Okay, vertical mountain climbers.
Three, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest.
Okay, squats into calf raises.
You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Three, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest.
Woo. Grab your cushions, plank time.
Three, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest.
Not there.
Abilities
High knees, jump lunges.
Motivation determines
8 high knees, 4 jump
attitude
lunges.
determines how well you do it.
Morning, Aaron.
3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, rest.
One exercise down, last set. Into the jab squats then. 4 squats.
3,
Very quick jabs.
2, 1, go.
One, two, three, four, 5, 7, 8. One, two, three, four, 7, 8. One, two, three, four, 5, 7, 8.
Three, 2, 1, rest.
First set done. Woo! Done out of the way. So, those who don't know, obviously this is T, Feel Good Factor founder. Sweating buckets, about to go to the gym after this as well because it's push day. Alright. My nose, any time now I'm going to start sneezing punches. But, for those of you watching me on YouTube, thank you so much. Your help is amazing. Subscribe, like, thumbs up. Okay, love you all. Thank you so much for subscribing. That's about 40 subscribers so far. That's immense, alright? But for you, my love is there. Everyone else, we're carrying on. I need to grab